In today's video, I will show you how to make Kulambo or mosquito net socks. The materials that we're gonna use are white folder for the pattern, measuring materials. I use this square and tape measure for backup. Kulambo or mosquito net. Pencil. I use my mechanical pencil for this. Crayon as my marker. 4 yards of ribbons. You can use 2 colors like mine or only 1 color. Thread or sinulid. Needles. Scissor. And now we can begin in making our Kulambo socks. First thing that we need to do is to cut this folder into half. In this part, we are only gonna use one side of the pattern. After drawing our sock pattern, here is the outcome. But before that, we need to cut this out. And here is our cutout pattern. In this part, I am cutting 4 square or rectangular shape of this net to put up the pattern of my Kulambo socks. By the way, I am only making 1 pair of Kulambo socks for today's video. And here it is, our 4 cuts of Kulambo net. And now let's start putting up the pattern in our Kulambo net. Make sure that it's all aligned. After that, you can now cut out the pattern in your Kulambo net. And do it all over again in your remaining Kulambo. And here it is, our cut out Kulambo socks. And now we can start putting it up together by sewing it. First thing that you need to do is to fold the upper part of this socks like this. And then sew it. This is what it's gonna look like after you sew it. And now you can do the same with the remaining 3 nets. And here it is. Now you can partner it to start sewing it together. Align it before sewing each corner of the socks. By the way, before you sew the socks, make sure that each sides are folded to make sure that the thread has a tight grip of the net. As you can see, I already sewed most of the part of these socks, but I stopped because I need to sew this first before proceeding to sew it all together. And here is our first look of our sewed socks. I am doing a measurement of this side and where I will cut 4 ribbon with the same sizes. After cutting 4 pieces of ribbons, we need to fold each ends. After you fold it, it's time to put it in this side. And now we are done in putting the ribbon in this part. Now we can start putting the remaining ribbons in these sides. As you can see, I stopped sewing the ribbon around the Kulambo socks, and as you notice, I already sewed these parts, and we're also gonna put some ribbon inside. As you can see, guys, both socks are fully ribboned, and you can see where I'm gonna put the green ribbon on. As you can see, both of these socks already have a hole, and now I'm gonna cut this ribbon to put it in these 2 holes. And here is our finished product. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you. Goodbye.